Go, Sabrina!
Brandon, I didn't even go, Brandon.
Whoa, Nate!
Mike's tired, Mike's
Oh!
Alright, one more.
Sarah wiped out.
One more. Backwards this time.
Oh, whoa!
Oh no, gotta get up and do it again.
Oh, goodness. Woo!
Go, Brandon.
There you go, keep going, Brandon. You're cleaning off the slip slide.
Can I go next? Can I go next? Go.
Okay, one more time.
We can't, don't do that.
No, guys.
Oh, crap. Wait, I need
Who got their shoe right there? How'd that get there?
Sabrina, excuse me. Can I go, please?
Alright, you guys gotta get out of the side.
Woo!
Oh, Brandon, wait, I'm gonna do a press.
Okay, you gotta get out of the way, Candace, so Sarah can go. It's Sarah's turn.
Wait, time out, time out.
Time out.
Everybody out.